Here's the ice cream truck at UND Family Housing. Of course, I see my child out there. She's got cash, so of course she's got filthy hands.
I'm using my money.
Let me see your hands. And how are you going to eat ice cream with those filthy hands?
Gonna wash them off.